A scalable learning management system is essential for fast-growing SaaS companies. It's what keeps employee onboarding, customer education, and partner enablement running smoothly, so you can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and grow without hitting roadblocks. In this guide, we're going to look at what makes an LMS truly scalable and how platforms like WorkRamp help high-growth SaaS businesses stay ahead. Let's start with why scalability matters so much in SaaS training. The SaaS world moves fast, new features, new customers, new hires. And with the SaaS market projected to hit more than $716 billion by 2028, there's more pressure than ever to scale efficiently. A scalable LMS is the backbone that makes it possible. It gives you one flexible, consistent training platform instead of juggling multiple systems. Whether you're onboarding new employees, rolling out a customer academy, or enabling partners, it grows with you. So, what makes an LMS truly scalable? Let's break it down. First, AI-driven personalization. Today's learners expect more than generic, one-size-fits-all training. AI can adjust learning paths based on a user's behavior and performance, recommend content tailored to their role and progress, and even automate admin work like reminders and nudges. It's also a huge help for global teams, supporting multiple languages, adding real-time captions, and making content accessible to everyone. Next is multi-tenant architecture. If you serve multiple audiences, employees, customers, partners, you need an LMS that can do the same. Multi-tenant setups let you manage different audiences from one system while still tailoring the experience and keeping data secure. One update can reach everyone, costs stay lower, and you can customize branding, permissions, and content per audience. Then there are integrations. Your LMS should fit into your existing workflow, not disrupt it. Think HR systems like Workday or Bamboo HR to automate onboarding, CRMs like Salesforce to trigger training at the right customer lifecycle stage, and communication tools like Slack or Zoom to keep learning in the flow of work. Add in secure single sign-on and you've got a seamless experience for learners and admins alike. Analytics and reporting are another must-have. To improve training, you have to measure it. Scalable LMS platforms offer real-time dashboards that show course completion, engagement levels, learner progress, and even skills gaps. That's the kind of data that proves ROI and helps you make smarter, faster decisions. And finally, enterprise-grade security and compliance. In SaaS, data protection is non-negotiable. Look for SOC 2 certification, strong encryption, role-based access controls, and detailed audit trails so you're always ready for compliance checks without slowing down your team. So what's the payoff? A scalable LMS can cut onboarding time dramatically, improve customer retention through better product education, and reduce operational costs by eliminating manual processes and disconnected tools. In fact, companies using WorkRamp have shortened onboarding by up to 40%, boosted customer retention by 25%, and improved product adoption by 60%. WorkRamp is purpose-built for SaaS. It brings together AI personalization, multi-tenant capabilities, deep integrations, and airtight security, all in one platform. You can create branded academies, offer certifications, run events, and track every learning outcome in detail. In SaaS, staying competitive means staying scalable. With the right LMS, you can train faster, onboard smarter, and keep your customers engaged without losing momentum. WorkRamp delivers all of that in one easy-to-manage platform. If you're ready to build a future-ready learning program, now's the time to explore what a scalable LMS can do for your growth.